Well, hello there. You're back, and we're back. And we're back with Wish Haul number 5. So, this came today. So, we're going to open it up. I suspect it's either a coat or another sweater or something like that. But we'll get into it and see, you guys. So, hold on. Alright, I gotta look for something today. Oh my god, there's a knife. That knife just comes out whenever it wants to, you guys. So, alright, hold on. Okay, we're back, you guys. Yes, it's my little faux fur, pink. Actually, it's kind of cute. It doesn't look like it did on, of course, how they make it look on Wish, all plush. But it's very cute to be a faux fur coat. So yeah, I am pleased with it. Like I said, you guys, oh my god, that knife. But anyway, Wish haul number 5. Cute little pink faux fur. Product review coming. Peace out.